the 2018 Nissan Frontier. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, a bed liner, and much more. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.